Hello friends, welcome back to today's video in the Chima the Educator video channel. I'll be giving us an investment advice, crypto investment advice this morning. That's why if you look at the thumbnail, it's talking to you about the need to buy a particular coin. And that coin is exactly what I want to show you, and that is the coin Matic. Matic. Buy this coin and hold it against any of the stable coins, either BUSD or UST. You understand? Very, very important. And I'm going to show you why you need to do this. I have already bought some, and I'm still going to buy more. And listen to me, it doesn't matter what is happening. Even if you see the price as if it's somehow falling down, don't get disturbed. Don't worry yourself. Still go on to buy this coin. As of the 2 days ago when I bought this coin, it was quite lower in price than this. The prices might still go up, go down, but there's an expert prediction of what Matic is going to be. So if you have money you want to hold and make some good profits in a question of months, weeks, please buy this coin. Just stay tuned. I'm going to show you. Welcome back, friends. We are talking about Matic, the native token of the Polygon Network. Now, as long as you're dealing with crypto, there are a lot of questions, there are a lot of confusion, there are a lot of factors that determine if you're going to make good profits as long as crypto investment is concerned or not. Yes. What I'm trying to share with you this time is not as if it's authentic. It's not going to be like a hard and fast rule. It's not going to be as if there's somewhere it's written there. Even a coin like Bitcoin, that one time rose to $60,000. As we are talking to you now, it's still, at the age of $20,000. So anything can happen as long as crypto investment is concerned. So even while you listen to this expert advice, still make sure you make your own research, decide within yourself that you're ready to go. But I want to tell you, there's this feeling, there's this understanding that this sign that's investing in Matic at a time like this is very, very important. Remember, Matic earlier this year was actually selling at $2 plus. Yes, it was around $2. But then there was a sharp decline. It was like a free fall. A lot of people lost interest on this. But it has started coming up. As of 2-3 days ago, it was as 70 cents. So I'm talking to you now this morning, today. Since yesterday, I've been growing or getting to almost 90 cents now. So something is actually happening. An expert prediction says it won't be surprised. It's not going to be out of it that in the next couple of months, Matic is going to rise. That's why, you see, I have invested. I've already put in money there. I'm not going to be monitoring it, a kind of withdraw today. No. Such kind of investments, you're going to make it a bit of a long term or medium term. It's not going to be short term. It's not what you're monitoring the market every single day. You want to watch whether it has gone up or down. No, even if you add $1 more, I'm not going to withdraw it. I'm hoping for the big deal. You understand that? So I want you to see it that way. Remember, I still say this. The decision to go on with this is yes. The risk is yes. The returns also belong to you. But this is an expert advice, which I encourage you to do. So as this now is still selling at 80 to 90 cents, this is the right time to invest. You can, put in some few money and invest. Like I said, even if you wake up tomorrow morning and see a bit dropping to 40 cents, oh, don't kill yourself over this. That's why I say you shouldn't think a short-term investment now. No. It's going to be medium time or a bit of long term. And that long term is not going to be that 3 months. Think about 6 months, think about 3 months, think about 2 months. That is a medium term now. So be prepared for this. So let me show you just one or two things Uh, here, uh, like you see, as of June this year, after the almost how this coin somehow collapsed, rising from the around $2 right from the early period of this year. But as of June this year, this coin Matic was selling at 0.32. That's 32 cents. Yes. And what we discover now, we have seen significant increase. As of 3 days ago, and it was around 70 cents. So it had been on moving on. A lot of predictions made around it seem to be working out. And I want to tell you it's true. So this kind of coin is what you put in your money and leave it there. Just leave it for 6 months. Leave it. For those of us who are into all this cryptocurrency trading, you know that even when you leave it at that point, there's something might happen within 3 months' time, and you see then even when there's a profit, instead of waiting for further profits, you may hear another news because these things are, all this blockchain, what is happening in the blockchain world. The crypto world is affecting the news we hear, financial news and all that affects some of these things. So once you see this happening there, happening over there, can affect. So you still monitor news, still monitor what is going on. If there are updates, we're going to be bringing up here in this channel. Along at this concept, so that's part of what the things we do here. Remember, this is the Chima Dedicated Video channel. We'll share and educate on how to make money online. So part of what we educate on is still, risk factors and all that. So be sure we'll be talking about this in the course of time. So that's why you need to be part of this. If you're not yet, subscribe to this channel and be there always by clicking and hitting on that notification bell. So anytime we release a video like this, YouTube will notify you that something is happening. So friends, I encourage you. I've already done this. I'm not telling you what I didn't do. If you take time and go through this news, I'm not going to read all of them for you, but search a news on this and then just search a news about the potentials of the Polygon Matic coin. Remember I said it's a native coin of the Polygon Network, and the Polygon Network is just new into the system. And this coin have a lot of user cases, so much. These are what gives a coin strength, to be solid in the market. It's the 13th, it is in the number 13. A coin that just came out, but it's the number 13 of cryptos you have as I'm talking to you. So it's a very strong coin. It's backed up by, strong liquidity, user case, and all that. So that is why investing in this project is not going to be out of fit. I encourage people, especially those who are starting new with crypto trading and all investment. You begin to understand how these things work. I know so many of us need quick money. But when you have, for instance, you inject $1,000, you want to use it as trading on cryptocurrencies. Most times, see how we do these things. You might decide to divide this money into 3 places. Use 1/3 of this to do your normal, regular, almost daily, hourly trading, where you can hit big profits or record big losses. Yes. Don't put the entire 1K dollars into those, that's hourly whatever, because you can easily lose all of them and you lose hope. Then target and study certain coins. You can use 1/3 of your whatever and put. Just when you put them, you have this assurance that, hey, in the long run, they're going to do something. Some of us will understand. As you look at Bitcoin now, Bitcoin street trading on 1920, 1920, 21. Hey, if you have money, get some cash. Divide some of your money there and put in Bitcoin. Leave it. Leave it. Keep waiting. Wait for it when it's going to come up. Just believe it's going to come up. Don't put money there. But it will be a mistake on your part to put everything. If you have a 1K dollar, you put it in Bitcoin. The next you might see what happens. You see Bitcoin crashes to $10,000. And you will now be forced to sell at a loss. Because the longer it stays at that position, you are giving up. You are no longer patient. So don't put everything so that you can have a leverage, you can have something to bounce back. So divide your money into 2 or 3 and look at the terms, long term, mid term, short term, just that way. That's how to do this. So you be on the safer side. You must have a coin or some tokens that you put in money on a long term investment basis. Everything must not be hourly, daily, weekly. No, put some somewhere and allow it to grow. So that is it. I'm going to stop this video at this point. I encourage you, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Share this video because it's an investment news. Your people under you, those around you can need to hear this. They need to, if somebody looking for how to put in money on crypto, please, this is one of those I encourage you to do something about it. I've already started. I'm going to enjoy it more. So I encourage you to do so. I stop at this point and I wish you the best. God bless you for your time.